together for Highland Community Church is just really an opportunity to partner in the community, to love on people in a way that kind of takes church out of the name, so it's not intimidating to the homeowner. It allows us to love on someone without getting anything in return. It allows us to connect as a faith family. When you're working side by side with each other, something special happens. And it's very rewarding. It's one of the most rewarding things to grow together and serve together in our faith family and someone in the community. I'm just really, really thankful for the opportunity.
Partnering with Rebuilding Together gives us the opportunity to be an expression of the love that God has expressed to us through the coming and living and dying of His Son Jesus. And so we're meeting a practical need by rolling up our sleeves and going to work right beside our neighbors to see things done for their good and for God's glory.
Yeah.